Imagine this. You're sitting across from someone you care about deeply. Maybe it's a woman you're interested in. Maybe it's a close friend, or even a colleague. But then you notice something, a subtle shift in their expression, a flicker of doubt in their eyes. Suddenly, the way they look at you changes. They see something that you don't. What did you do wrong? Here's the harsh truth. Most men have no idea when they are projecting weakness. And it's costing them. Big time. It's costing them respect. It's costing them opportunities. It's costing them relationships. But what if I told you that there are 7 clear signs women instantly pick up on that scream weakness? And what if I told you that stoicism holds the answers to fix them? This isn't about playing games. This isn't about faking confidence. This is about transforming yourself into the strongest, most authentic version of who you were meant to be. So if you're ready to stop unknowingly repelling the people you want in your life, let's dive in. The hidden power of stoicism. Most guys think that stoicism is just some ancient philosophy, reading Marcus Aurelius, meditating on life's challenges, maybe quoting Epictetus when things go south. But in reality, stoicism is a blueprint for personal power. It's about understanding how people think, how they act, and, most importantly, how they perceive you. Women, in particular, are incredibly perceptive. They pick up on subtle details, the way you carry yourself, the tone of your voice, how you react under pressure. And here's what most men don't realize. Weakness isn't just about what you say or do. It's about what you don't say. It's about what you don't do. It's about the energy you unconsciously give off. Today, we're breaking down the 7 ways women instantly sense weakness in a man. And, more importantly, how stoicism can help you flip the script. Let's get started. 1. You seek validation. Let's start with the most common and most damaging sign of weakness, seeking validation. If you're constantly looking for approval, whether it's from women, your friends, or even strangers, you're giving off one clear message. You don't trust yourself. And trust me, women can sense it. Stoicism teaches us that external validation is a trap. True confidence doesn't come from others. It comes from within. Marcus Aurelius said it best. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. So stop looking for someone else to tell you you're good enough. Decide it for yourself. 2. You avoid conflict. A lot of guys think avoiding conflict makes them the bigger person. Wrong. Dodging difficult conversations, backing down the moment tension rises, or refusing to stand your ground doesn't make you a peacemaker. It makes you a pushover. Women notice when a man is afraid to assert himself. Stoicism teaches us that conflict isn't something to fear. It's an opportunity for growth. The next time you find yourself in a tough situation, don't run from it. Face it head on, with respect, with clarity, and with strength. Because women respect a man who stands firm in his values. 3. You're reactive instead of proactive. Here's a massive red flag. You let your emotions control you. You snap when someone disagrees with you. You overreact to small inconveniences. Your mood shifts based on what's happening around you. Women see this as a lack of emotional control, and it's one of the fastest ways to lose respect. Stoicism teaches us that a strong man stays calm, no matter the situation. As Epictetus said, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. A man who can stay steady in the storm is magnetic. Be that man. 4. You lack purpose. Nothing is more unattractive than a man drifting through life without direction. If you have no clear goals, no ambition, no deeper sense of purpose, you become forgettable. Women aren't drawn to men who wander aimlessly. They are drawn to men who move with purpose. What are you working toward? What kind of man do you want to become? Stoicism teaches us that living with intention is everything. Start setting goals. Start chasing something meaningful. Because when you have a purpose, people can feel it. And that energy is irresistible. 5. You're indecisive. You can't make a decision to save your life. Where to eat? No idea. What career path to take? No clue. Should you stay or should you go? You freeze. Women notice this instantly. Indecision is a killer. It screams uncertainty and self-doubt. Stoicism teaches us to trust our judgment. Make decisions based on reason, not fear. Even if you choose wrong, it's better than standing still. Women respect men who can take charge. Be that man. 6. You're too nice. Wait, what? Isn't being nice a good thing? Yes, if it comes from a place of strength. But if you're being nice just to avoid conflict or to win approval, it's weakness. Women can feel when a man lacks boundaries, when he sacrifices his own needs to please others. Stoicism teaches us to be kind, but firm. Set boundaries. Stand up for yourself. Respect others, but never at the cost of your own self-respect. Being a pushover isn't noble. It's weak. 7. You fear loss. Here's the ultimate sign of weakness. You live in fear of losing what you have. You cling to relationships. You stress over your status. You're terrified of change. And that fear, it's visible. Stoicism teaches us that everything in life is temporary. Instead of fearing loss, focus on what you can control, your mindset, your actions, your values. Because when you let go of fear, you radiate strength. And that kind of strength, unshakable. Weakness isn't about what you lack. It's about how you handle what you have. Stoicism isn't just an ancient philosophy. It's a blueprint for modern strength. When you stop seeking validation, when you stand firm in conflict, when you move with purpose, when you master your emotions, women won't just see you differently. You will see yourself differently. And that changes everything. So now, the question is, will you step up? Or will you keep making the same mistakes? If this resonated with you, hit that subscribe button, because real strength starts here.